This isn't your typical 5-minute epoxy. Most fast epoxies cure brittle, yellow in the sun, and require you to scramble around your workshop just to mix them. Starbond fixes all of that. Regular 5-minute epoxy dries glass hard and brittle. Ours is flexible toughen, which means it absorbs vibration and wood movement without cracking, and it still sets in 5 minutes. It's UV resistant, so it won't yellow and crumble in sunlight like other fast epoxies, especially when used as a filler. You can use it as a glue or as structural filler for cracks, knot holes, and loose joints. Every other epoxy makes you search for cardboard and a popsicle stick. This kit includes everything: the bottles, mixing pallets, and a reusable silicone spatula. Let the leftover glue cure, bend the spatula, and it peels right off. No disposable mixing sticks, no waste. Dispense equal parts, A and B. The bottles have built-in gradient markings, so no need for measuring cups. If you want a faster flow, just snip the tip wider. Just make sure both nozzles match for the proper 1-to-1 ratio. Mix until the epoxy looks uniform. Microbubbles means it's activated. Here's what it looks like in real projects, indoors and outdoors. One epoxy, multiple materials, indoor and outdoor strength, ready in 5 minutes. That's why this epoxy lives on my bench and why it should live in your shop or toolbox too.